Frustrated by the End User License Agreement Module DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for End User License Agreement Module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the End User License Agreement Module, frequently associated with the user interface modules of software installers. It manages the rendering of the End User License Agreement EULA dialog and localized accept button logic. If this file is missing, the setup wizard will crash or display a blank window, preventing the software from being installed. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If you see an End User License Agreement Module DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized EULA resource manifest subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including End User License Agreement Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A quick warning. Many sites offering End User License Agreement Module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing End User License Agreement Module. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix End User License Agreement Module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.